Greetings, this is Learning English with Rahul Mahashabde. This video is meant for those who are appearing or taking competitive examination and learning vocabulary. Vocabulary is pivotal, for it plays a significant role in appreciating easy and difficult comprehensions. Moreover, its role in decoding the simple and complex ideas cannot be ruled out. A transition period comes in everyone's life, be it moving from childhood to teenage or from teenage to adulthood, or even planets transits from one position to other position. It could also from an unknown state to known state or from one state to other state. This change of time or position from say A to B is known as brink or verge. More precisely, it is cusp. So today's word is cusp. We are dealing with the word cusp today, and the pronunciation is cusp. Its spelling is C-U-S-P. It belongs to the word noun, and the word family is cusp. The meaning of the word is a pointed or end where two curves meet. This is from the geometry actually, or time of change between two different states from A to B, or the limit beyond which something happened or changed, or the time when one sign of zodiac ends and next begin. Examples are: it is generally used with phrase on the cusp also and also at the cusp. Some of the examples are: she is on the cusp of being star. That means she is on the verge of becoming star. I was born on the cusp between Leo and Virgo. That means this was a transition period. So I was born in the transition period of Leo and Virgo, and I'm sitting on the cusp of middle age. That means I'm approaching middle age, and Mr. Pandey's behavior is only on the cusp of acceptability, and lastly on the cusp between childhood and adolescence. It is a very common word and it is used in various newspapers very frequently. Some of the examples are: India on the cusp of major artificial intelligence innovation, says Infosys chairman Nandan Nilekani. India at the cusp of turnaround in fortunes, says RBI governor. Key points: children at the cusp of adulthood between 15 and 18 years of age are the most vulnerable, according to a CRY report on the status of Indian children. This was on the Times Twitter. So you can see it is not only on the news in the newspaper, but is also very frequent or very common on the Twitter also, or on the social media. Then there is a Bhavina on the cusp of golden glory. This story was related to Paralympics, where she was on the verge of winning the gold medal. Then third one is lastly, it's the second last one: Indian armed forces are at the cusp of transformation, says General Rawat. And lastly, Pogo car on the cusp of glory. This news was related to the Tour de France. As far as the discussion is concerned, cusp is a very interesting word to show or manifest the transition period. It is a noun, it is a Latin word. The transition could be of time, as on the cusp of afternoon, of state, as on the cusp of adulthood, of position, as on the cusp between Leo and Virgo, and also can be used to talk about success, becoming famous, turning from bad to good. So that's all for today, and we'll meet again with a new word. Till then, it's goodbye and thank you from me. Thank you very much.